Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable and disable the SMS delivery reports on Samsung Galaxy S23. So let's do it. So on Samsung S23 we have two messages apps. This is the first one is from Google, and to enable or disable the SMS delivery reports, just tap on the profile picture. Now tap on messages settings, and here go down, and we have here advanced. Okay, and here there is get SMS delivery reports. Find out when SMS messages is delivered. Just enable this function, and that's all. If you want to disable, tap again and go back. Now the other messages app is from Samsung. This is the icon, and you need to set up as default. If you want to use it, just tap OK, select it and set as default. And now to enable the delivery reports, tap on these three dots. Now tap on settings, and here tap on more settings, and we have here text messages, and here just tap to enable show when delivered. Now let's go back, and let's tap on multimedia messages, and again enable show when delivered, and you can enable also show when read. So it's not so hard. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.